Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning animations in Canva that instantly make your designs look more professional, engaging, and eye-catching. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, or marketing graphics, animations in Canva can completely transform your content. The best part is, you don't need any design experience at all. You can take your designs to the next level with just a few simple clicks. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can follow along easily and start adding these eye-catching animations to your projects right away. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. By subscribing, you'll get access to more tips and tricks that will help you boost your design skills, whether you're running a Shopify store or just looking to make your social media content stand out. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. Canva offers a free plan that gives you access to a ton of useful features, including animations. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see all your recent designs, templates, and projects. This is your creative hub, where everything you've been working on is easily accessible. From here, click on any file of your choice. This could be an existing design you're already working on, or you can open a new design using one of Canva's templates. If you're new to design, using a template is a great way to get started without feeling overwhelmed. Once your design opens, decide which text or element you want to animate. Click directly on the text you want to bring to life. You can animate anything from headings to body text, or even individual elements like icons or shapes. When the text is selected, you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top of the editor. In that top toolbar, click on the Animate option. This is where all the animation magic happens. Animating your content will not only make it more dynamic, but also help guide the viewer's attention to key information, like your product details, sale announcements, or even calls to action. After clicking Animate, you'll see different animation styles. But what we want to focus on is creating a custom animation. So go ahead and click on Create an Animation. This feature allows you to manually control how your text or element moves on the screen. With custom animations, you have more creative freedom to match the motion with your design's tone. For example, you might want a smooth, slow motion for an elegant design, or a quick, bouncy movement for something more playful. Now, Canva will guide you through the animation process. To animate the text, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag the text in the direction you want it to move. As you drag, you'll see a path appear. This path shows exactly how the text will animate when played. You can experiment with different directions and distances until it looks just right. If you're working on a marketing graphic, for example, you might want your text to slide in from the side for a dramatic entrance. Feel free to try different paths to match the vibe of your design. Once the motion is set, you can adjust the speed of the animation. Use the speed slider to make the animation slower for a smooth, elegant effect, or faster for a more energetic and dynamic feel. If you're creating something like a YouTube thumbnail, a faster animation can grab attention quickly, while a slower one might work better for more professional, informational content like presentations. Take a moment to preview the animation and fine-tune it until you're happy with how it looks. This is where you can make small adjustments that will make a big difference in the final product. It's all about getting the right balance of smoothness and impact. When everything looks perfect, click on Done to finalize the animation. That's it! You've successfully created a stunning custom animation in Canva. You can repeat these steps for other text elements or graphics in your design to create a cohesive animated look across your entire project. If you're designing a Shopify store promo, you can animate your product names and prices to catch the eye of potential buyers. Animations like this can really help your content stand out and keep viewers engaged, making them more likely to interact with your posts, share them, or even purchase your products.
And that's how easy it is to create stunning animations in Canva. Whether you're making social media posts, marketing materials, or product graphics, these simple animations can elevate your content and make it more visually compelling. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, software tips, and step-by-step guides. I'll be posting more videos to help you design better, faster, and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.